Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to make a family tree using Canva. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So in order for you to make a family tree here using Canva, there are going to be a few things that you need to do here. So first things first is you want to access Canva here and log in into your account. Now the great thing about Canva here is depending on what keywords you enter in your account here, you should be able to see different templates related to that keyword. Now since we want to create a family tree here, let's go ahead and basically create a new one. Let's go ahead and go to search your content in Canvas and just type in the following, which is going to be family tree, and just press enter. It should give you different, in this case, designs that you might want to use. Now, obviously, there are going to be a lot here. So if you want to use a very specific one, like for example, maybe I want to use this one. Let's go and click on it. In this case, you should be able to see the customize the template option. Go ahead and click on it. Now, the great thing about Canva here is if you already have an existing design here, what you just need to do is you just need to replace the already existing images. Let's go ahead and go to the left side here, and we want to go to uploads. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and start uploading all the photos that you want to use. Now, the great thing about Canva is if you have a photo, you just need to drag it from your computer directly into this page here in this section here in order to upload it. But in this case, I already have some images here that I want to use. So, in order for you to replace the images or the already existing images here, what you need to do is you want to press and hold the image that you want to use as the replacement, and you want to go ahead and drag it into the location where you want to basically put it. So for example, I want to make or add this photo here into the grandma section, and as you can see, we've just replaced the photo. Now same thing for other photos, just go ahead and hover over the photo that you want to replace, and you've just replaced photo. Now do this for every photo that you see here, or you can even change a few things. You can highlight a few things here, like if for example we want to go ahead and remove this just in case. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.